Today I'm going to show you how to utilize a great interactive program with your students. ComicLife is a great tool that gets students involved with a project and allows them to really use their creative minds. Before we begin with the program, I want to show you the ComicLife website. The site has some general resources, then resources directed at educators. Under ComicLife in Education, the site lists some of the benefits of including the program in your classroom, including the inexpensive price of just $20 for a single license. The site also offers information on how to incorporate the program into the classroom and education. There's also a tab for examples, and this section is great because it breaks down the examples by subject and allows you to see the many possibilities that the program holds for you. Finally, there is a Sourcing Images tab. This is some great information that any teacher should look at regardless of whether you're using the program or not, because it provides sites that will allow you and your students to access pictures and clip art but keep you from infringing on any copyright laws. I love using Morguefile because of all the great real-life photos that it has to offer. It's just like many other search engines. You simply type in what you're looking for, and then bam, you're going to have a list of pictures there for your picking. When you click on a picture, you can scroll down just below it to see the licensing summary. Read over it and make sure that you and your students know what type of accreditation you need to give to the creator. Once you're ready to download, simply click on the download button located directly under the picture. Once you click the download button, the file will immediately download into your downloads folder on your computer. Once it's there, it's now readily available for use in any program. Once you're ready to begin the program, simply open ComicLife and all your iPhoto pictures are included in the library on the bottom right-hand corner. You can simply click through the library and find the pictures you want, go through your iPhoto events, and at the bottom of the screen you can also choose to go to Finder and find the pictures directly located in their individual files on your computer system. So now you know the location of your pictures and you're ready to begin. Just drop down the menu by the templates and begin to scroll through and look at the dozens and dozens of templates that are already pre-made, and there's lots of different kinds with different styles that your students can go through and pick their own individual interest. Before you begin, you might want to choose the backgrounds palette and choose some coloring that's going to go behind all the photos on your picture. I'm going to go ahead and go with the beach theme since we're going to be looking at how to save our seas. Once you have your background set, you can choose a template and you simply click and drag over and it fills the boxes in automatically on the page. So now you're ready to start dragging and dropping your pictures into the individual boxes. This is a great intuitive program, and that's one reason it's so great to use with elementary school students, because it doesn't take a lot of knowledge of computers on how to work this program. You simply click on a picture, you drag it over to the box that you want to drop it in, and you let it go, and the program automatically fills the picture into that box. Now there's a couple different things you can do with the picture once it's in the box. You can move it around, you can make it larger or smaller, and that purple arrow in the middle allows you to rotate your picture so you can change the direction of the picture that you're looking at. Once you have all your pictures set where you want them on the page, you can begin bringing this comic strip to life. Down at the bottom of the page, you'll see different styles of speech and thought bubbles, and again, you're just going to click, drag, and drop where you want your bubble to be placed. It automatically opens up a text box that you can begin filling the text of your choice in with. Once you're done with the text, simply click outside the bubble and it'll format the text inside. And again, you can move this bubble around wherever you'd like, stretch it out, make it larger or smaller. And you can follow the same process with the thought bubbles. Just grab, pull it up to the picture, and then drop it. And once you fill in your text and you click outside the box, you can really start to move that bubble around. Now at the bottom tip of the bubble, you're going to see a little purple or blue dot. You can pull that dot around and change the direction that your bubble is facing. One of the other great features that I love about this program is the extend button. And I'll show you in just a second how you can utilize this. But we have this picture with all these seagulls in the background, and so you might want to include some multiple voices and multiple bubbles, but you don't necessarily want to include a different bubble for every bird. You want to kind of have those thoughts out there going all at the same time. So you click the extend and you drag it over and drop it on top of the bubble that you already have placed, and you'll see that it adds a connecting bar and connects those two bubbles together. And I'm just going to do that a couple times to show you guys how far you can connect those out. So now I've got four bubbles connected by the extend button, and it's kind of starting to overlap into some of the other pictures. So as with everything else in the program, it's very easy to edit and move around, change the size. You just simply click in the middle of the bubble and drag it to where you'd like to see it dropped. So you have your speech bubble set, but say you have a picture that you don't have a speech bubble character that's there, you just need some text. You can come down to the speech bubble menu and choose the text box selection and simply edit your text into the box and then change the size of the box according to how you'd like it to fit into the picture. So now you have all your pictures and your speech bubble set, and it's time to add a title to your comic strip. It's very simple. You choose the lettering option, type in your title, and then you just want to hit the place lettering button, and that's going to put it right in the box where you had it, and you can see that it auto formats to a particular type of font, color, and size, and you can just rotate that, put it in the box however you'd like. Those purple buttons again extending it in different directions. Now say you don't like the default format, you can simply go up to the top of the page and you're going to click the style button, and it's going to drop down. You can choose from many different types of styles for your headline, and you can just decide which one you want, click on it, and it's going to auto format that into the box for you. I'm going to choose this nice green color, and then I am set and I'm good to go. And now the students in your class have created a comic strip all on their own, and I guarantee some of those boys in that class are going to think this is the coolest thing next to sliced bread. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and it helps you out. Good luck with your comic adventures.